Welcome to the second tutorial on angles in a triangle. So there are four examples here. Here also you have to remember that the first thing you have to remember, sum of interior angles of a triangle, it is 180 degree, and sum of exterior angles of a triangle, it is 360 degrees. Based on this, let us see the first example. You have to find alpha here. So how to find alpha? So the first thing, just as you see in here, the first one, you have to, this one will be 180 degrees. So this angle, you have to find this angle first. You have to define this angle based on the variable alpha. So based on that, this angle, the missing angle, just like beta, so beta will be 180 degrees minus 3 times alpha minus 30 degrees. Because this will be totally 180. If you subtract this angle from this one, it will be from the total 180, it will give us beta. So that means the sum of the interior angles will be 180 based on this definition. So that means beta plus alpha plus 10 must be 180 degrees. So beta, we find this one, the beta value, we have to substitute it here. So that means just 180 minus 3 alpha minus 30 degrees plus this one, alpha, plus this one, alpha plus 10, must be 180 degrees. So this one, 180 minus 3 alpha plus 30 plus alpha plus 10 is 180 degrees, and you bring it here, just this one, and this one, just 180 plus 30, it will be 210 plus 10, 220 plus this minus 3x plus 2 alpha, it is just minus alpha, right? Minus alpha is equal to 180 degrees. So alpha will be 220 minus 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So it will be, right? It will be 40 degrees. So if you substitute 40 here, 40, right? Then if you substitute 40 here, just that means 40, this one will be 40, this one is just 50 degrees, and this one is just 120 minus 30, it will be 90 degrees, so this will be 90 degrees. So the answer for the first one will be 40 degrees, right? So after finding this one, if you go for the next one, for this example, these are just similar angles. This one and this one we call them matching angles or similar angles. Matching angles or similar angles, because if you see this symbol, just that means these angles are similar. And here, if you see this rectangular part, that means it is 90 degree. So 90 degree, this one just 108, that means if you add them together, they must give us 180 degrees, so this will be 72, right? So because 108 plus 72, right, 10, 8, 1, 108, so 72 degrees. So if that means, if we know this angle, the third angle, this one must be 180 degree minus 90 plus 72. So that means 180 minus, right, 297, 162. Then it will be how much? It is just like 18 degrees, right? So this one is 18. If this one is 18, this one also 18 degrees, because we said they are similar. Then after finding this one, 80 plus 108, how much? We have to find this angle. To find this angle, we must define it. 108 plus 18, right? 180 minus this value will give us this unknown angle, let us beta, right? So that means 180 minus 16, right? 16, 1 is there, to 126. So if we subtract 1 from 180, 126, it will be 54, right? 54. Then 54, that means this value is just 54 degrees. Then we have to go here, 54 plus x is 180 degrees. So x will be 180 minus 54. Then it will be 126. So this one is just 126 degrees, right? So after finding this one, the third one, what you are going to do, just if you extend this one or this one, you'll find something. If I extend this one just like this, right? Like this, then this degree will be how much? Because it will be 180 degrees, so this one will be 60 degrees. Then after that, we can find this one, right? This one. To find this one, just 180 minus 70 plus 60. So that means 180 minus 130. It is 50 degrees. So this one is just 50 degrees. If this one is 50 degrees, you can find this value. How much? Totally it will be 180 degrees. So that means 180 minus 50, it will be 130, right? So this one is 130 degrees. So that means if this is 30, 130, and this one, how much? Totally 180 minus 130 plus 30, right? It will be 180 minus 160, it will be 20 degrees. So this one is just 20 degrees, right? Then after that, for the last one, for the last example, so this one and this one are just similar. They have similar side lengths. That means they are equal. If this one is equal with this one, that means the opposite angles are also equal, right? For this opposite angle, it is 50 given. So that means for this opposite angle, this one is also 50 degrees. If this one is 50 degrees, this one will be 180 minus 100, because it's 50 plus 50, 100. It will be 80 degrees. So if this one is 80 degrees, you will find this one, because 80 plus 100 will be 180. So this must be 100. If this one is 100, 100 plus 30, 130, 130 plus alpha, it will be just 50 degrees. So totally it must give us 180 degrees.